Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss verify Gauss divergence problem. So, what Gauss divergence theorem says means Gauss divergence theorem means always you have to remember it is the transformation between the surface and volume integral. Surface and volume integral. Formula is integral over the divergence of f bar dv is equal to integral over s f bar dot n bar ds. Okay, where n bar is the outward drawn normal. Okay. So first problem is verify Gauss divergence theorem for f bar is equal to some vector he has given taken over the surface of the cube bounded by the planes x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to a. What it means is x is equal to a, y is equal to a, z is equal to a, and the coordinate planes. So if you draw that one, you will get like this. First, we will do the problem on each surface and find the values. So along the surface PQAS, PQAS means this is the surface. So this is parallel to which plane? YZ plane. YZ plane equation is what? X is equal to 0. Parallel to x is equal to 0 means x is equal to a. That means whenever you come across with x is equal to a, you have to, whenever you come across with x, you have to replace it with a. And ds is equal to dy dz because this PQAS plane you have to project on YZ plane. Therefore dy dz, therefore yz means therefore y limits is 0 to a, z limits is 0 to a, and n bar is equal to I bar. What n bar means? This is a PQAS plane. So if you put a stick on this plane, it is parallel to the x-axis. Therefore it is I bar. Okay, n bar is equal to I bar. So find the f bar dot n bar. F bar dot n bar means I bar coefficient x cube minus yz. So formula is what? Integral over s f bar dot n bar ds is equal to double integral x cube minus yz into dy by dz. Okay, in place of x we have to write a, therefore a cube minus yz. So now with respect to dy we will do, with respect to dy means a cube is a constant, therefore a cube y minus z is a constant, therefore y integration is y square by 2 between the limit 0 to a. Whenever you come across with y, you have to replace it to a, therefore a power 4 minus z a square by 2 dz. Okay, next with respect to dz means remaining are constant, therefore a power into z minus, here a square by 2 is a constant, z integration is z square by 2 between the limit 0 to a. If you substitute a power 5 minus a power 4 by 4, you will get along the surface PQAS. Similarly, you have to go for the surface OCRB. OCRB is nothing but in the YZ plane. Therefore, YZ plane equation is what? X is equal to 0, ds is equal to dy dz, y varies from 0 to a, z varies from 0 to a. N bar is nothing but negative x-axis, therefore minus I bar. So in here you will get f bar dot n bar is minus of x cube minus yz into dy dz. Okay. So what he is saying, in place of x, if you substitute 0, you will get yz dy dz. So with respect to dz, if you do that one, z y into z square by 2 0 to a, therefore y by 2 into a square you left with. So now with respect to y means a square by 2 into y square by 2 between the 0 to a. If you simplify, you will get a power 4 by 4 you are going to get. Similarly, along RBQP, RBQP, RBQP is nothing but the plane parallel to xy. XY plane is z is equal to 0. This plane equation is z is equal to a. ds is equal to dx dy. Therefore, x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to a. N bar is equal to k bar. Y n bar is equal to k bar means this is the plane. This plane is, if you put a stick on this one, this stick is parallel to z axis, positive z axis. Therefore, n bar is equal to k bar. You left with. So if you do the problem in the same model, you will get a cube. Similarly, along the OCSA, OCSA means OCSA. It is in the XY plane. XY plane means z is equal to 0. Okay, z is equal to 0. ds is equal to dx dy. X varies from 0 to a. Y varies from 0 to a. N bar is equal to minus k bar. If you substitute and simplify, you will get 0. Next, along PSCR. PSCR means PS here, top plane. So you have to do the projection on the xz plane. That means y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. PSCR, PSCR, PSCR. Sorry, it is y is equal to xz plane is equal to y is equal to 0. It is parallel. That's why y is equal to a. ds is equal to dx dz. X varies from 0 to a, z varies from 0 to a, n bar is equal to j bar. So you f bar dot n bar is nothing but minus 2x square y. So simplify, you will get minus 2 by 3 a power 5. Similarly, along OBQA. OBQA means, so here OBQA, this is the one. So on xz plane, y is equal to 0. On xz plane, y is equal to 0. ds is equal to dx dz. X varies from 0 to a, z varies from 0 to n bar is equal to minus j bar. Simplification, you will get 0. So if you add all these one, you will get a power 5 by 3 plus a cube. Similarly, you have to find out the volume integral. If both are same, you can say that hence verified. So integral over v divergence of f bar dv. So f bar is equal to what? X cube minus yz into a bar minus 2x square yj bar plus zk bar. So divergence of f bar, what it says? Dou f1 by dou x, dou f2 by dou y, dou f3 by dou z. So if you do that one, 3x square minus 2x square, it is 1. So integral over v divergence of f bar dv is equal to 3x square minus 2x square plus 1. That is nothing but x square plus 1 dx dy dz. So limits are x varies from 0 to a, y 0 to a, z 0 to a. So now with respect to z means x square plus 1 is a constant. Therefore z between the limit 0 to a. After simplification, we will get x square plus 1 a. So a get it outside that one. Again with respect to y means x square plus 1 is a constant. Therefore y between the limit 0 to a. Therefore again you will get a. So a get it outside, a square you will get. Therefore again x square integration is x cube by 3. One integration is x between the limit 0 to a. Therefore a square into a cube by 3 plus a. Simplification, you will get a power 5 by 3 plus a cube. So both left hand side and right hand side, you are going to get the same answer. Therefore hence Gauss divergence theorem is verified. Thank you.